So as well as cutting-edge catchment science, we have delivered improvements in water quality. We've done this through a pilot land incentive scheme, for example, where 118 farming families have benefited from funding to improve their land management practices on the farms, as well as improving their farm business. We've delivered an education programme to over 1,900 children in the Erne and Derg catchments, and that's education systems available online as well. We have a legacy website which has been finalised at the moment, and that gives us resources for stakeholders, for farming community, for individuals to go on there and to look on the website for the learning that we've gained through this project. Through the work done by the economists at the Agri-Food and Biosciences Institute, we have research done which now shows that for every £1 spent, there will be £3.36 worth of benefits in terms of reduced water treatment costs and benefits to other ecosystem services in the catchment projected over a 30-year timescale. So we now have an evidence base to show us the benefits of this sort of pilot land incentive scheme being rolled out.